10 endemic birds that you only can see in Colombia. Last one will blow your mind. Part 2. Let's continue with 6. Tolima blossom crown Antocephala berlepsi with that typical spot in the forehead. Beautiful, incredible, typical of the preserved forest in Tolima and Huila. 7. The striking red-bellied grackle Hippopyrrhus pyrohypogaster that is a jewel of the Andes in Antioquia and Huila. 8. The incredible buffy helmet crest Oxypogon stubeli, endemic to the Paramos in Caldas and Tolima. But wait. Do you know what a paramo is? 9. Multicolored tanager Chloroprisa nitidissima, a real living rainbow in the cloud forest. And 10, my favorite, the yellow-eared parrot, soaring through the Andes in Tolima, Valle del Cauca, and Antioquia. And when someone asks you, who told you this? Tell them your trusted birding guide, Asherita Viajera, told you